I know from my own experience how effective this technique can be. Simply imagine that you are being congratulated by someone you trust and respect. Hear them say to you, "Congratulations," and feel the reality of their words. To do this, get into a relaxed state akin to sleep. Close your eyes and visualize yourself shaking hands with a friend who is genuinely happy for your success. Imagine their voice, their expression, the warmth of their handshake, and the joy in their eyes. Let their words, "Congratulations," echo in your mind. Feel the thrill of their congratulations as if it is happening right now. Do not wait for the physical evidence of your success. Create the feeling within you. Live in the end as if your desire is already fulfilled. This powerful feeling will draw the reality to you. Remember, your imagination is the key to creating your future. So, be persistent and trust in the power within you.